In the heart of the 14th century, Europe was gripped by a dark age, steeped in religion and superstition. Amidst this era, two artists, Leonardo da Vinci and Michelangelo Buonarroti, would set the world ablaze with their revolutionary ideas. Born in the same century, both individuals were destined for greatness, but their paths diverged as they sought to challenge the stagnant art world of the Middle Ages. Leonardo, a prodigy of Florence, was captivated by the secrets of nature and the human body. He yearned to paint the intricacies of the world as he saw it, not shrouded by the mystical and divine. In contrast, Michelangelo, a native of Tuscany, was drawn to the power and grandeur of the church. He sought to create art that would elevate the divine, to carry the weight of faith upon its canvas. The context of their time was fraught with crisis. The reign of the Medici family in Florence had ended, leaving the arts in a state of disarray. In Rome, the Catholic Church was grappling with the repercussions of the Reformation, questioning the very foundations of its power. Leonardo, driven by his insatiable curiosity, began to experiment with new techniques. His groundbreaking work, The Last Supper, showcased a dramatic departure from the traditional Byzantine style, capturing the emotional turmoil and human interaction among the disciples. Meanwhile, Michelangelo rose to prominence in Rome, commissioned by Pope Julius II to paint the Sistine Chapel ceiling. His masterpiece, The Creation of Adam, was a testament to his unmatched skill, a grand depiction of God reaching out to Adam, symbolizing the divine touch that would usher in a new era. Their actions, however, did not go uncontested. Many critics and religious figures of the time were appalled, accusing them of blasphemy and defying tradition. But the consequences of their actions were far-reaching. Leonardo and Michelangelo, in their unique ways, ignited the Renaissance, a cultural movement that would reshape Western art and thought. Their works introduced a new era of realism, humanism, and individualism, a departure from the religious and mystical art that had dominated Europe for centuries. In the end, their works would stand as a testament to the power of human creativity, a beacon of hope in a time of darkness, and a catalyst for change that would echo through the ages.